Which are the three methods are individual numbers when frequencies are given, and the third one is continuous series. Sigma means summation of a number. Sigma means summation of a number. N means number of terms. Frequency is a variation of a number. Hello everybody, I am Dr. B.A. Subramaniam, Senior Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College. Today I am going to handle Business Statistics for 5th semester. The topic which I want to deal with is measure of central tendency. Statistics, the subject we are going to do statistics for management. First is called measure of central tendency, which contain mean is the average of a given number. First method we are going to deal, which are the measure of central tendency. We have got mean. In the mean, we have got first method, individual number. Second method, when frequencies are given. Third method, for continuous series. So mean is the average of a given number. When the numbers are given, what is average number? If a boy scored 60 in one subject, 40 is another subject, add both the subject, 60 plus 40 is 100, divide by 2 is 50 is his average. So average is the total of the given number divided by number of terms. If we have got a 3 subject, add the 3 subject divided by 3. So mean is the average of a given number. Then we have got the mean for individual numbers. Second, when frequencies are given. Third method, when the continuous series. Which are the three methods are individual numbers when frequencies are given, and the third one is continuous series. So mean is equal to sum of the values divided by number of values. Sum of the values means when the values are given, add all the values and the number of terms. How many terms are there? In statistics, we say mean is equal to sigma x over n. Sigma means summation of a number. Sigma means summation of a number. N means number of terms. How many terms you have got? If you have got 4 terms, add all the 4 terms value divided by 5. If there are 5 terms, add 5 terms value divided by 5. That is the average of a given number. So generally, we deal with the individual number, sum of the values divided by number of values. For example, in a cricket match, there are 2 candidates. One is X, another is called Y. So there are 10 innings are there. He scored the runs for 10 innings. What we will do, who is the best batsman, we are going to study. So what we are going to do, for all the 10 innings, all the runs scored by X will be added, divided by 10. Mr. Y also, we add all the numbers divided by 10. Whose average is more, he will be considered as a best batsman. So mean is equal to sum of the values divided by number of values. In statistics, X bar, this is called mean of X or X mean also. Mean and average is one and the same. So X mean is equal to sigma X over N. So for example, the numbers are 64, 36, 28, 22, 21, 29, 24, 26, 31 and 20. These are the individual numbers. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we add the number, assume that X 64 plus 36 plus 28 plus 22 plus 21 plus 29 plus 24 plus 26 plus 31 plus 29. So we have to add this one by one. What is the first one? 64 plus 36 plus 28 plus 22 plus 21 plus 29 plus 24 plus 26 plus 31 plus 29 is equal to 310 will come. 310 will come. This is called sigma x summation. So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 terms are there. So sigma n is equal to 10. Your formula mean is equal to sigma x divided by n. What's your formula? Mean is equal to sigma x divided by n. What is sigma x is 310. What is n? Number of 10 is 10 items are there. Cancel the 0. It is equal to 31. So mean is equal to 31. For individual number, what is the steps to convert? Add one by one number. If we add all the number, it comes to 310. How many terms are there? 10 terms are there. So what we have to do now, add the 10 terms, that is sigma x by n. What is sigma x? 310 divided by 10. So 31 is your average. I think understand. Shall I repeat? So what we have to do, when the individual numbers are given, add all sum of the numbers, that is summation of the number divided by number of terms. In this example, when you add this number, it is equal to 310. N is equal to number of 10 is 10. Average is 31. We'll go to next one. So the numbers are, second example, the numbers are 8, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Add the number. X is equal to 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6. The numbers are 8, 3, 2, 7. 8 plus 3, 11, 13, 20, 26, 30, 33, 35, 42, 48. So sigma x is equal to 48. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Divided by 10. That is your formula, sigma x divided by n. What is sigma x? 48 divided by 10. It is equal to 4.8. So mean is equal to 4.8 of the individual number. So what we have to do now, individual number should be added, divided by the number of terms. Very easy to calculate. Individual number should be added, divided by the number of terms. If we add the numbers now, we'll get how much? 48. Number of terms 10. Your mean becomes 4.8. Mean is nothing but the average becomes 4.8. We'll go to next one. So in example number 3, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add all the numbers. X. This is 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 20 plus 22 plus 18 plus 5 plus 4. If we add one by one, you can understand. What is the first number? 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 20 plus 22 plus 18 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 106. Sigma x is equal to 106. Summation of the number. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N is equal to 8. So what's your formula now? Mean is equal to sigma x divided by n. What's your formula? Mean is equal to sigma x divided by n. What is sigma x? 106 divided by how many? 8 is there. So 8 ones are 8, 2 remaining, 8 twos are. So your answer is 2. So mean is equal to 8 ones are, or repeat this. So this is 106 divided by 8. This is equal to 13.25. If we divide, it is called 13.25. So what is 13.25? That is your mean. I think you understand. So once the individual numbers are given, add the numbers divided by number of terms. We'll go to the next one. So mean is equal to sigma fx over n. This is when the frequencies are given in the problem. What is frequency then? Frequency is a variation of a number. Frequency means variation of a number. For example, we have got a 6, 8, 4. Some frequency 3, 7, 6 is there. We mean to say that 6 can vary 3 times, 8 can vary 7 times, 4 can vary 6 times. So what you have to do now, they will give the x, they will give the frequency. Multiply frequency into x, but is the sigma fx. Add that, that is the summation of the sigma fx. N is equal to, where n is equal to number of frequency, total number of frequency, not number of terms, total number of frequency. What is the first step to do? They will give the x, they will give the frequency. Multiply frequency into x becomes sigma fx. Add the sigma fx. N is equal to number of frequency, total number of frequency. We'll go to problem now. Here, we have given the x 22, 20, 22, 11. This is the x. What is this? Is the frequency that 3, 4, 2, 4, 5, 6, 2 is there. So 3 starts increasing 4, fall down to 2, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 2. Add the frequency. Frequency should be added. So 3 plus 4, 7, plus 2, 9, plus 4, 13, plus 5, 18, 24, 28, 32. That is n. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 18, 24, 26. This is 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 plus 6 is 24, 26, it becomes 30. N is equal to 30. Next step is fx you have to do. Fx means 20 into 3, 60. 22 into 4, 88. 11 into 2, 22. 10 into 4, 40. 13 into 5, 65. 14 into 6, 84. 5 into 2, 10. 6 into 4, 24. What is the next step you have to do? 20 into 3, 60. 22 into 4, 88. 11 into 2, 22. 10 into 4, 40. 13 into 5, 65. 14 into 6, 84. 5 into 2, 10. 6 into 4, 24. Now, add these numbers. What's the first number? 60 plus 88 plus 22 plus 40 plus 65 plus 84 plus 10 plus 24 is equal to 393. What is 393? Sigma fx. What is your total number of frequency? 3 plus 4, 7, plus 2, 9, 13, 18, 24, 28. So this is, once again repeat, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 24, 26, 30. Apply the formula. Mean is equal to sigma fx over n. What's your mean? Sigma fx over n. What is sigma fx? 393. What is the number of frequency? Is 30. So if we divide 393 divided by 30 is equal to 13.1. So your mean is equal to 13.1. I will repeat. When the frequency is, this is the x number, this is the frequency number. What you have to find out in exam, no? If there is an increasing, by chance in exam, 3 plus 4 plus 7, 8, 9, 12, 14, 16 is there, it is not called frequency. It is called cumulative frequency. That should be converted to frequency. But here it is not so. Here 3, 4, fall down to 2 means it is a variation. What is frequency? I told you, variation of a number. We mean to say that 20 can vary 3 times, 22 can vary 4 times, 11 can vary 2 times, 13 can vary 5 times, 14 can vary 6 times, 5 can vary 2 times, 6 can vary 4 times. So when I add the frequency, it is equal to 30. Then multiply the fx, no, it becomes 393. So what is your formula? Mean is equal to sigma fx over n. What is sigma fx? 393 divided by 30. It comes to 13.1. I think you can follow. So shall I go to next one? So here also x is given, frequencies are given. We'll add the frequency n. This is frequency 3 plus 4 plus 5, once again 5 plus 7 plus 6 is equal to 30. That is 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12, 17, 24, 30. What is 30? Total number of frequency. Now, fx you have to do. So, 16 to 3, 180. 17 to 4, 280. Then 18 to 5, 400. Plus 19 to 5, 450. Plus 100 into 7, 700. Plus 110 into 6 is 660. This 16 to 3, 180. 17 to 4, 280. 18 to 5, 400. 19 to 5, 450. 100 into 7, 700. 110 into 6 is 660. Now add the figure one by one. What is the first number? 180. Plus, what is second number? 280. What is third number? 400. Next number? 450. Next number? 700. Next number? 660. So it comes to 2670. Once again, what is the first number? 180 plus 280 plus 400 plus 450 plus 700 plus 660 is equal to 2670. Now apply the formula. Mean is equal to sigma fx over n. What is sigma fx? 2670. Total number of frequencies 30. If we cancel 2670 divided by 30 is equal to 89. So mean is equal to 89. The average of a given number is 89. This is when you have to do when the frequencies are given. So what we have to do in exam, is it a frequency or a cumulative frequency? You have to think. What is a cumulative frequency? Increasing level. It may be ascending order or it may be descending order. But if there is any variation number, if you see here now 3, 4, 5, 5 is there, definitely it is a frequency. By chance it is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is there, it is not a frequency. It is a cumulative frequency. I think you understand. So what you have to do now, before solving the problem, you have to see that it is in a frequency level or a cumulative frequency level. Cumulative frequency may be ascending order or descending order, but frequency is a variation of a number. If one number varies by chance, if the number goes like this, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, it is also called frequency. If any number repeats also, it is, see that here 5 has been repeated. That's why it is called frequency. I think you follow. We'll go to next one. Here, one more example is there. So you have got a frequency. See that 3, 7, 12, 20 up to increase, suddenly falls down to 8, next is 5. Now you add the frequency first. What is the first one? 3 plus 7 plus 12 plus 20 plus 8 plus 5. This is 55. So n is equal to 55. Now come back fx. First one, 10 into 3, 30. 12 into 7, 84. 14 into 12, 168. 16 into 20, 320. 18 into 8, 144. 20 into 5, 100. So 10 into 3, 30. 12 into 7, 84. 14 into 12, 168. 16 into 20, 320. 18 into 8, 144. 20 into 5, 100. You add the figure one by one. What is the first number? 30 plus 84 plus 168 plus 320 plus 144 plus 100 is equal to 846. What is 846? This is sigma x. Now apply the formula. Mean is equal to sigma x over, this is nothing but mean is equal to sigma fx over n. What is sigma fx? Here you add x of f. 846 divided by 55. Mean is equal to sigma fx over n, or xf also we can say. What's your 846 divided by 55? Divided by 55 is equal to 15.38. Mean is equal to 15.38. What is the steps are? First add the frequency, it is equal to 55. Multiply x into frequency, that is sigma fx or xf, 846. Apply the formula. Mean is equal to sigma fx over n. 846 divided by 5, it works out 15.38. So what is 15.38? That is the mean. We'll go to next one. So mean for continuous series. Here mean is equal to a plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into c. A is equal to assumed mean. C is equal to class interval. N is equal to number of frequency. D dash is deviation from the assumed mean. Deviation from the assumed mean. So what is mean for continuous series? A plus or minus, A is assumed, sigma ft dash and deviation from assumed multiplied by frequency. N is equal to number of frequency. C is equal to class interval. We'll go with an example. Here, if we see the class 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to... So here the class starts. This is 10 is called lower limit, 20 is called upper limit. This is called L1, this is called L2. L2 of the first group become the L1 of the second group. When you say 10 to 20, it is not 20. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So the difference is 10. That is your class interval, we say. Then here 20 to 30 means it is not 30. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So what is this 10 is called? Lower limit. 20 is called upper limit. This is called exclusive method, we say. By chance in exam, 10 also be taken, another 20 also be taken. That's called inclusive method, we say in statistics. What is this method? Is called exclusive method. We take the 10 but not the 20. We take the 20 but not the 30. I think it is called continuous series. Then the frequencies are given. Now, what is the steps to do? No? First, add the frequency. The frequencies are, first one, 4 plus 12 plus 40 plus 41 plus 27 plus 13 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 150. We write it here, n is equal to 150. Then this is the total number of phase. Then we go with the mid value. Mid value means add both item 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 30 is 50 divided by 2 is 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. I think you understand. I will repeat. 10 to 20 means 10 plus 20 is 30 divided by 2 is 15. 30 plus 20 plus 30 is 50 divided by 2 is 25. So there is a difference of 10 difference is there. 15, 25, 35, 45. Then go with a word called D dash. Assume the 15 as 0. This is your assumption. A. Then goes on increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the deviation from here. Some lecturers, some author says 25, 15, 10, 10 they will write. But D dash means we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is next step? FT dash. Multiplied by frequency. 4 into Z here. 4 into 0 is 0. 12 into 1 is 12. 40 into 2 is 80. 41 into 3, 3 ones are, 3 fours are, 123. 27 into 4, 27 into 4 is equal to 108. 27, this is your frequency. 27 into 4, 108. Then 13 into 5, 65. 9 into 6, 54. 4 into 7, 28. I will repeat. This is your frequency. 4 into 0, 0. 12 into 1 is 12. 40 into 2 is 80. 41 3 is 123. 27 into 4 is 108. 13 into 5 is 65. 9 into 6 is 54. 4 into 7 is 28. Add the figure, this one. Add one by one. This is 12 plus 80 plus 123 plus 108 plus 65 plus 54 plus 28 is equal to 470. Sigma ft dash is equal to 470. Now I will apply the formula. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into c. What is I told A? A is assumed. Ft dash means frequency into deviation. N is equal to total number of frequency C is equal to class interval. Now apply, which is assumed here 15. Plus, what is your sigma ft dash? 470. Number of frequency 150. Your class interval is 10 to 20 is 10. I'll repeat. A is assumed 15. Then sigma ft dash is 470. N is equal to number of frequencies 150. Your class interval is 10. If you go like this, now 15 plus cancel 0, 0. Then 470 divided by 15 is equal to 31.33. 31.33. If you add the figure 31.33 plus 15 is equal to 46.33. This is your mean for continuous series. So in a continuous series, what are steps to do? First, we have to find out the mid value. What's the mid value? 10 plus 20 is 30. Divided by 2 is 15. There is a difference of 10 each. 15, 25, 35, 45, 50. I assume first number as a 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then multiplied by frequency. This is ft dash. Add the figure. It is 470. Now apply the formula. Mean is equal to A plus or minus. Why do you say plus or minus? Your ft dash may be plus or may be minus. Here it's a plus, no? That's why I taken as a plus. If it's a minus, that would have been deducted. So 470 divided by 150 into 10. I cancel the 0. 470 divided by 15 is 31.33. For 31.33 plus 15 is 46.33 is your average. I think you have followed this. And if you want, I can repeat. What is the first step to do? Find out the mid value. Take the deviation for x is considered multiplied by f. Then that's called ft dash. Then add the figure. It becomes sigma ft dash. Add the figure summation. Then apply the formula. Mean is equal to a plus sigma ft dash divided by n into c. Then we'll go to next one. Same. We'll get one more example. Class 0 to 4. 0 is a lower limit. 4 is called upper limit. 4, 8, 8, 12. Then add the frequency. Frequencies are 3 plus 7, 10, 18, 12, 30, 36, 40, 50. N is equal to 50. I will repeat. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 12 is 30. 36, 40, 50. Then find out the mid value. Find out the mid value. So here 0 plus 4 is 4. Divided by 2 is 2. Difference of 4, 6, 10, 14. This is 18, 22, 26. Difference of how much? 4, 4, 4 is there. Then take the deviation. D dash. First number as a 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then multiplied by f, ft dash. What's your frequency? 3. 3 plus 0, multiply 3 into 0 is 0. 7 into 1 is 7. 8 into 2 is 16. 12 into 3 is 36. 6 into 4 is 24. 4 into 5 is 20. 10 into 6 is 60. I will repeat. 3 into 0 is 0. 7 into 1 is 7. 8 into 2 is 16. 12 into 3 is 36. 6 into 4 is 24. 4 into 5 is 20. 10 into 6 is 16. We'll add the figure one by one. 7 plus 16 plus 36 plus 24 plus 20 plus 60 is equal to 163. Sigma ft dash is equal to 160. Apply the formula. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into C. What is the formula? Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into C. Now, which number is assumed? First number is assumed 2. What is your sigma ft dash? 160. Your number of frequency is 50. Your class interval 0 to 4 means 4. Simplify this is equal to 2 plus 160 into 4. 160 into 4 divided by 50 is equal to 12.8. If you add the figure, it is 14.8. What is 14.8? Is your average. I think you have followed that. A is assumed, sigma ft dash is frequency into deviation, n is equal to total number of frequency, C is equal to class interval. Then 2 plus, if we simplify this, it is 12.8. It is nothing but 14.8. I think students have followed. I think so. Students have followed. We'll go to the next one. The last problem, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. So what is the first step to do? Mid value. Add the frequency. Add the frequency. What is the first number? 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 11 plus 15 plus 5 plus 8 plus 12 is equal to 70. N is equal to 70. N is equal to 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 19, 20, 30, 45, 50, 58, 60, 70. Then find out the mid value. So 0 plus 5 is 5. Divided by 2 is 2.5. The difference is 5. Next is 7.5. 12.5, 17.5, 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5. So difference is how much? 5 have written. If you check the number, 35 plus 40 is 75, divided by 2 is 37.5. Then apply D dash. First number as a 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then multiplied by ft dash. So 4 into 0 is 0. 6 into 1 is 6. 9 into 2 is 18. 11 into 3 is 33. 15 into 4 is 60. 5 into 5 is 25. 8 into 6 is 48. 12 into 7 is 84. Add the figure one by one. First is 6 plus 18 plus 33 plus 60 plus 25 plus 48 plus 84. It comes to 274. Sigma ft dash is 274. What is total number of frequency? 70. Apply the formula. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into C. What is your assumed? 2.5. What is your sigma ft dash? 274. What is number of frequencies? 70. What is your class interval? 0 to 5 is 5. Simplify this. It is 2.5. Take the calculator. 274 into 5 is equal to 1370. Divided by 70 is equal to 19.57. So mean is equal to 22.07. I have simplified this. The result will come 19.57. For 19.7, if we add 2.5, it will come 22.07. So what is 0 to 5? 0 is called lower limit, 5 is called upper limit. The upper limit of first group become the lower limit of the second group. So we have solved the problem, one for individual when the frequencies are given, then for continuous series. I think we have gone through individual numbers when the frequencies are given for continuous series. If the student, if you have got any doubt, you are in the final year. If you have got a doubt, you can ask me a question in what's called. So everybody says in English medium, what we have to do now, if you ask a question, you are a fool for 5 minutes. If you does not ask a question, you are fool forever. So it is better to ask question with the teacher and extract the answer. So I'm here. I put up more than 40 years of service in the statistics is concerned, one of the best subject which you are going to deal. So if you have a doubt in the next class, first ask the doubt. I will clear the doubt. Till then, goodbye. Meet you once again in the next class.